Hello friends, welcome to the tootscorner.com videos. Everyone is fond of tea and it is the first thing to start your day with. But today we will see a different use of tea instead of it drinking as a beverage. Now let us start and see how to use tea bags for your eyes. Through a busy and stressed out lifestyle, everyone is turning towards a healthy lifestyle and opt to drink green tea rather than traditional ones. But very few of them are aware of other beneficial usages of tea bags. To use tea bags for eyes, it would be beneficial and help you get rid of dark circles around your eyes. Even they can be helpful against wrinkles and tired eyes. Now let us see how to use tea bags for your eyes and follow the detailed steps. Firstly, choose the tea bags having a higher ratio of caffeine and tannins in them. For that, the most beneficial would be black tea. First of all, you have to keep the tea bag in the freezer. 2 tea bags, one for each eye. Keep it in the freezer for few hours. The colder they are, the more efficient results they will deliver. Now, take the tea bags out of the freezer and place them on your eyes, covering the dark circles. To let this work correctly, lie down on your bed or sofa where you feel relaxed and far from the chaos. Keep your eyes closed and let the tea bags work for at least 10 minutes. Do this once in a week and see the miraculous effects of the tea bags. I hope you will agree with me and try the tea bag formula for your tired eyes today. Thank you.